How to add a banner or cover photo on Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Pinterest application. Log into your account and then tap on the profile picture on your bottom menu bar. On the leftmost corner, you will see your profile icon. Simply tap on there. Then tap on the three dot. Here you will see edit cover image option. Now from here you will be able to choose a different cover image like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.